Hey there, welcome to this episode of Just Be Logical. And I want you to imagine this. Let's say you enter into a restaurant and you ordered pasta. Now, after an age long of wait, your order finally arrives. And it looks as if it has been dropped twice before being served to you. The taste is as horrendous as expired toothpaste or depression. And now the legal question comes of whether you can just get up and get out of the restaurant without paying your bill. So, check out the entire video and let's get started. So, let's assume you enter this dramatic situation of entering into a restaurant and ordering the pasta that tastes like filth, and you decide to just get up and leave without paying a single penny. Now, can you do this legally? Don't get excited yet, but the answer is sadly no, you cannot, because the moment you enter into a restaurant, you have entered into an implied contract. Now, friends, what is an implied contract? Or we also call it a contract by conduct. It means that you have made an acceptance by conduct. So the moment you order something and the dish comes to your table, it means the restaurant promises you food and you have promised them money by acceptance and conduct. Another example could be, let's say you enter into a local Mumbai train. Now, it goes unsaid that if you're commuting by train, there need not be a written contract that says, oh, I am entering into the train, so I need to purchase a ticket. No, it's implied. The moment you enter into any public transport, you need to pay, you need to get your ticketing done, and only then you have the right and authority to commute by that respective transportation. Similarly, when it comes to restaurants, the moment you grab your seat, you have ordered your food, the restaurant has promised you to serve the food and you have promised to pay in exchange of the food. Yes, there's only one condition where you can refuse to pay and the restaurant is obligated to either refund or to replace the dish on your table. That is when the food is either spoiled, unhygienic, or not of good quality. So, all the consumer protection laws say this, that you are entitled to safe, hygienic, and good food, that is safe and healthy food. So, in case you see a roach dancing on atop your pasta, or you witness the neighbor's hair, or you get to know that the food has been undercooked or it's not hygienic or unsafe, you can politely refuse to pay for the bill, or you can ask for a refund, or you can simply ask them to get a replacement for the same dish. Now, as per the Consumer Protection Act of 2019 of India, these are what steps you can take, measures you can take, but please ensure that there are suggestive measures. Please don't start screaming and creating a chaos in the restaurant as if you are preparing to get entered into Big Boss season. Or don't start throwing plates here and there, or don't start banging your head against the table. No, please be patient, please be calm enough, and you may politely request a refund, or you may politely just ask the manager to strike off the amount of the dish from your bill, or simply get a replacement. If you don't do either of it, please go back to either of the movies like Bollywood used to do it in the year 1999. That's you head to the kitchen and do the dishes. So please go and abide by the suggestive measures. That's how logically we do it. Now, what in case you have already been harmed or impacted by the food? You can certainly demand for a compensation. And let's say if the authorities of the restaurant do not adhere or do not abide by the laws, you can certainly escalate the matter to the consumer court, or you can just click a photograph or make a video of the contaminated or spoiled food, and you can escalate the matter to the food safety authorities, which can further probe into the matter. But that's how legally you should be proceeding, not just escape through the back door if your food is contaminated. So these are a few things that you should be keeping in mind. Do comment your worst food experiences ever in the restaurants you have been so far, or if you have been in any sort of a big boss drama there. Do let us know. Stick with us for further videos and subscribe to Just Be Logical. See you in the next video. This is Web of Agrawal. Take care.